Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the real, the official, the authentic, the original, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I will be trying today Kingsford baked beans with bacon, made with only real ingredients. 7% fat per serving, saturated fat 8%, cholesterol 2%, 520 milligrams of sodium, 9 milligrams of carbohydrates, 12% dietary fiber, sugars 10 grams, proteins 10 grams, vitamin C 2%, vitamin A 2%, calcium 4%, iron 8%. And so you get 180 calories per serving size half of cup. So here it is. Here's the can. And let's try this. Now this just came out of the microwave, so it's going to be hot. So I'm hoping I can eat around the edges or something. It's kind of bland. And the bacon bits, well, I don't see any bacon taste. There's a smoky taste to this. Well, it tastes like bacon, I guess, but I'm not certain. My problem is I'm spoiled. The only beans I usually buy is Bush's baked beans with bacon. And after you eat Bush's, you don't go back. So it's not bad, but it doesn't thrill me. But I'm hungry. So that is Kingsford baked beans with bacon. I guess if you're going to go camping, you could throw a can of this in for eating or emergency rations or something. You know, it's $1 a can. I mean, I think it might have been 69 cents a can. I can't remember, but it was cheap. And my electric blanket is flashing again. I don't know what's wrong with that thing. Anyway, the controls keep flashing after a while, and I have to keep unplugging it and plug it in. It's one of the annoying things about Sunbeam. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'm going to have my coffee and a couple of hot dogs mixed in with the beans and go back to lie down for a while. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry. And stay safe. And I'll catch you next time. And, I would not recommend these, but they aren't thrilling to me. So it doesn't, they're not bad, but they don't make me get ecstatic about them either. So maybe they should stick to briquettes. I don't know. All right. Catch you later. Bye-bye.